In this video, I'll show you how to create a WooCommerce Shopify-like checkout in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your checkout page looking exactly like this one, or we can switch it to a one-page layout. So this one is much more cleaner and nicer as well. Okay, so the first step is to head over to woosuite.com. Go ahead and download the all-in-one checkout plugin. Currently it's free and in beta mode. Once you've done so, let's head back over to our dashboard. Okay, so once you've downloaded the plugin, you just want to go ahead and install it. So you go plugins, add new, go ahead and upload the file in which you just downloaded. Once you've done so, if you're a WooSuite customer, then you'll see this WooSuite menu here. If not, you'll see a menu which just says AIO checkout. Just go ahead and click on it. It's the same thing. Once you've navigated to the all-in-one checkout general settings page, first step is to go ahead and create a new checkout. So you just click create new checkout here. Since I've already created one, I'm just going to go ahead and edit this one here. Okay, so on this page, this is our field editor page. And if we click this settings icon here, we can add various additional fields to our checkout. Okay, so we can drag and drop this one here. We can rearrange the fields. We can go ahead and delete it, and we can hide certain fields. So for example, if the phone number wasn't required, we can just go ahead and hide that here. We can hide the shipping section. We can add multiple steps as well. So we could just click this plus icon, and then we can add multiple steps. If you wanted to drag a particular section to a step, so for example, the billing section, we can drag it on to step 2. And when we click step 2, it should be here. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as a single step checkout. So the second step would be actually to navigate to design. And then from here, we can choose between a 2-column layout or a single column layout. Currently, I've showed you the 2-column layout in the intro, so we'll stick to the 2-column layout for now. Okay, so in the future, there'll be various other templates, and you just go ahead and select the template in which you'd like. So in this case, I'm just going to select this modern shop template here. And the next step is to navigate to the settings page. And then from here, we just want to make sure we enable this particular checkout form. Okay, so we just toggle it to on, and then we can name this checkout. So with this plugin, you can create multiple checkouts. So let's say you wanted to create a specific checkout for a different user role or something like that. You can do so. And then here you just specify the specific user or the specific user role. So you'll be able to preload different products within the checkout as well. Okay, so with this checkout slug here, you can create a unique URL, and then you can basically share it on social media or to your email list. So under this product tab, we can go ahead and add various different products. So we can preload different products to this particular checkout. But if you just wanted to use it as a global checkout, in this case, you just leave it blank, and you can ignore the checkout slug as well. Where it says applies to, we can set this to everyone because we want this particular checkout to display to everyone. Custom checkout button. So instead of, I think currently it says complete checkout or something like that, you can rename the checkout button essentially. So you can leave it blank and it will just use the default WooCommerce text, or you can add your own text here. Okay, so now we just save changes. So when we do go to proceed to the checkout, we should be able to see our Shopify-like checkout. So let's just go ahead and test this out. Currently, I don't have any shipping options. Otherwise, it would display here. Again, I don't think I've got any payment methods set up for this store as well. So let's just switch this to a one-page layout just to see how that looks. So we'll just go design, single, and let's just go ahead and hit save changes again. Okay, and now we've got this one-page layout here. Okay, so as always, you can rearrange a section. You can remove certain sections if you don't need it. If you want to add your logo here as well, there's one final step we need to make to do that. So let's head back over to our dashboard, and let's navigate back to the main settings area. And then on the settings here, we just want to scroll down, and where it says custom logo, we can go ahead and upload our custom logo here. We'll just go ahead and select this logo. Again, it won't be the best, but it will do for now. Okay, now when we refresh this page, we can see our custom logo here. So again, as I said, it doesn't look the best, and I think bear in mind this is still in beta mode. But yeah, we'll add an option as well to resize this. But ideally, your logo image shouldn't be this size anyway. But we'll add an option to resize it. And that's how you create a WooCommerce Shopify-like checkout in just a few simple steps. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.